Day 6 of at-home learning, and I think a great day. I think today's going to be a fabulous day. Let's see what we have here for reading today. Authors have intentions when they write. Think about a part that is really powerful. So, what part is it that's been really powerful of your story, and why is that part so powerful? And most importantly, how did the author do it? So when we say authors have intentions, intention means it's something like you set out to do, right? So when I write this story, I want everyone to feel very joyful, right? And I want them to learn this lesson. So I hope in my story, you're going to feel joyful and you're going to learn this lesson. So you're supposed to be reading and trying to figure out the intention that your author had. What do they want you to get from it? So let's look at this anchor chart over here. It says you should notice, stop, and think. Okay, what part is really powerful? Why is that powerful? And how did that author do it, right? You're learning from that author. So when you do your own writing, you can apply it to your writing. You can ask yourself, how did this author make this whole book work together or click together? You can also learn a lesson and think, what does the author want to teach me at the end of this story? So we want you to really be thinking about the author's craft as you read today. Today for writing, we're going to think about our characters. So the characters that you have so far, are they moving around or are they frozen? Right? So if you haven't written anything about their actions or their motions, your readers might think that they are frozen, when in fact, that's not necessarily true. Have you made your character talk yet? You can add some more dialogue, and that's the fancy word for when your character actually says something and you quote it, so your readers get to know your characters better. So hearing what a character says and how they say things really helps us to get to know the character even better. In math for today, we're going to do our 1 to 2 lessons in Dreambox, and we're going to do today's problem, which is right here. Does doubling a number always lead to an even-numbered answer? So you have to figure out if that is true or not. When I double a number, does it always end up as an even answer, or are some of them odd? They would like you to show a few examples to prove your thinking. So you say, oh no, sometimes they're even and sometimes they're odd. Then prove it. Show us some examples when you double an answer that some are even and some are odd. Or maybe you have a different answer than that. All right, make sure you get those movement breaks in and decide if you want an active dance or if you want something kind of more on the lower intensity, calmer ones there as well. And then today's choice board. Choose one of the activities down here that seems like a good fit for you today. All right, guys, hope you have an absolutely excellent day 6.